Hello Choro-Q fans, we got another one of these new models to come out. This is the Lamborghini Aventador Homage. So the Homage was a special paint scheme, a limited edition. They made 50 units in different colorways, but this is the one here. But they had a red, a neon green one, so let's take a look here. So Z-74B, I believe now this is the 74th casting to come from the Z collection of Choro-Qs. Choro-Q's been around for several decades, but I guess the Z's date back a few years. Alright, a little blister here, looks okay. There are separate mirrors, but I've come to realize, well, first, this color isn't the same. This is just the molded blue plastic. This is a metallic painted plastic. So that's very weak, actually. I mean, they don't match the color, and yet this model was very expensive. For what you're getting, for this toy, you can get a premium branded 1/64 scale die cast. So that's really weak. I'm really let down, Tomy Tech. This is a bigger ripoff than a TLV. At least TLV mirrors, well, when they happen, are appropriately colored. Alright, well, anyways, obviously being a cartoon car, it's not going to be the same, but I like to draw up these photos anyways, just to see, how much they tuned the thing out, shortened the thing. What used to be a low slung hypercar, supercar, now looks like a comic book. Alright, well, let's take a look here anyways, see what kind of details they were able to put in here. Maybe help justify the cost of these things. Well, one nice detail is the fact that they actually add some black here for the vent. And then the wheels are actually unique to the Aventador, so that's nice. There's gold paint here and here. The windows are transparent, I believe. It's just that they're really dark from the outside. They look like black paint, but you can tell because when you look through the gap here, it's a smoked plastic. While we're down here, I believe this is the production code, so I believe this is year 2021, and then maybe made in the 6th month of this year. Oh, so this is 2 screws are holding this together. That's a little different. I think this is the first one I've seen which has 2 screws. Usually it's like a tab mechanism in the back that captures the back end, but it is nice that they actually mold in what this is. The Z-74 or 75. So the 74, well, 73 models before this one. Tomy, okay, and it tells you what the car is, so that's nice, and then the brand, so that's nice as well. The only thing missing, well, no, there's nothing missing at all, so that's great information. If you're totally unaware, excuse me, totally unaware, these are pullback toys, and they go really fast, actually. And then this slot here is here to hold a coin so the thing can do a wheelie because the weight will push it down. But I don't really play with these things. Alright, so the headlights are just printed on, which I can totally understand because they have that crazy, there's so much detail going on in modern headlights. The Lamborghini logo is okay, at least proportionally it's not oversized, but no indication of the text block. Alright, there's nice texture in here. It's actually recessed, so that's nice. Very good detail. If I were to guess, maybe this texture is part of the plastic base. Alright, this metallic blue is very nice. Alright, so this black here paint is for the louvers. Looks okay. Tells you what the car is, that's great. And then black texture again, and then red paint for the taillights looks good. Yeah, there we go. Sorry about the focus loss. Yeah, I like it. It's a really cool looking cartoon of an Aventador. So that's why I like these things. The wheels are identically sized, but the tires are naturally different, and they are rubbery tires, just really hard. But that actually works in their favor because I have some old ones, and the rubber never went brittle. So you could actually, they're still pliable even after several decades. So whatever compound they're using for this rubber is fantastic. It's there to last. A little black paint here as well. I thought it was a blemish, but it's actually part of the casting. Okay. Well, let's take a look at a couple other Lamborghinis just in 1/64 scale. And so we have a little collage of a different colorway. And let's pause through a Kyosho model next. This is the LP720-4. I think it's the first Aventador. Yeah, there we go. It's a pretty nice model. Let me get a better angle here for you guys. Focus on the middle car. The next one is by Kyosho as well, and it's a 750-4 SV. And then this very last one is by Mini GT. It's one of the body kit ones, so it has a Liberty Walk body kit on it. Alright, I think all four of them are pretty cool. I rather like them. And previously I got this Lamborghini Miura SV from ChoroQ, so these are two relatively recent releases by this brand. You notice the Miura also has, you know, custom molded wheels specific to that car. So that's one of the, I guess, one of the reasons why these Zero models cost more than regular ChoroQs, because regular ChoroQs just have 5-spoke wheels, generic wheels. But I guess the Zero, the extra cost is part of the, you know, the molding for the wheels, and on top of all these extra paint processes. Okay. Well, let's let this spin on its own. So I totally understand you guys are mostly thinking, well, this guy's an idiot for buying these things because they cost more than the other models I just showed you. So, and I can totally understand that. But for me, I mean, I still like these because they make me happy. I just laugh when I look at these things. It's literally a comical appearance. So it puts a smile on my face. And so I'll definitely get some more of them to come whenever they put out some new castings that I like, or I'm gonna backfill some of their older castings. So hopefully I'll catch up with you guys when that happens. Thanks.